Well, I was trying to make a video about facing a quilt instead of binding a quilt, but my tripod just broke, so now I can't do it. So I thought I'd just show you a tour of the quilt shop. This is the first room. When you come in from the front and you go to the right, you come into this room. I decided to bring my sewing machine up here so I could sew, and we have a little fireplace back here, but you can see it's covered with two panels. That's a Texas flag, obviously, and that's a grateful panel, and it's the quilt I'm working on now that I'm going to be showing you the facing a quilt. Here are some notions and patterns, and we have some basics. We have Crayola Kaleidoscope from Riley Blake and Tone on Tones from Riley Blake, and there's a small collection of batiks there, and next door to that is some wide backings. This is a sample quilt called Sock It To Me, and we have the pattern and the kit and all the fabric you need. Then we turn here. There's the quilt I'm working on. There's the broken tripod and some more collections of batiks. We have Aurifil thread, 50 weight, and I have some thread on clearance, signature 100% cotton. So next we go into the hall. This is the entry hall, and here's the front door, and here are some samples. This quilt is Twinklestar. It's a paper-pieced beginner quilt, and there's a complete tutorial online. It's free. You can just order the pattern. I have the patterns and all the fabric you need. This is a panel here, and there's another piece that goes with that, but it's already sold. And this is called the Anniversary Panel by Wing and a Prayer Design. We have a few of those left. And over here we have Abundant Grace. And this is a panel too. You cut it up and it has a pattern, and it's really a beautiful quilt. Some great fabrics. This is from Timeless Treasures. So we have a few of the patterns left and some of the panels and one kit left, I think. And so here's the fabric, and here is some linen cotton blend fabric, and there are the kits to the city block quilt. And if we pan over here, this is the back door. Here are some quilts for sale. Every quilt just about in this shop is for sale. Here's the latest sample quilt, and there's the pattern called Starry Night. This takes 15 or 16 fat quarters, I think. And here is the City Blocks quilt, the linen quilt. And here is the Family Rules panel. We have panels and some kits left.